Hi, my name is Kelly. I'm going to demonstrate for you some basic navigation of the Google Arts and Culture website. This is also available as an app that you can download to a smartphone or an iPad. Up at the top, you'll see there's a menu on the top right, Home, Explore, Nearby, and Profile. Right now I'm on the home page. I have logged in using my Google account. Here is the daily inspiration where Google posts a story about an artist or a culture. If I go ahead and click in there, it'll bring me to a new window. In that window, it'll give me information, in this case about Gordon Parks. And I can read about his life, his photos, and find information. If I come across something that I like, I can go ahead and click on it and then zoom in to see more detail using the navigator here on the right. If I come across an artwork that I like, I can click and I could favorite it, which will save into my profile since I am logged in under my Google account. Let me return to the home page. And they feature different themes, stories. You could search by timeline. You can search by subject, by material. Okay, so here is timeline. Okay, and it'll organize it for me. I can click on Explore and it'll bring me more topics, categories, art movements. This is a great resource for not only for art teachers or people teaching art history, it's also great for science, geography, because you could do a search of a place. For example, maybe your students are studying space. You can click in space and it'll bring up different stories and collections based on the exploration of space. If I come across something that I find interesting, for example, if my students are studying Vincent van Gogh and I find a particularly interesting story, I can click on this share button. And then there's a few different options for me to share, including my Google Classroom. Choose the class where I'd like to post it. Choose how I would like to post it. Click Assign, and I can view it in my Google Classroom. Okay. There are a lot of other things you can do with the Google Arts and Culture website, which I'll go over at a different time. Have a good night. Thank you.